Hello, this is a quick video demonstration to show you how to use a Chrome extension called Vidyard. And actually you can do this with a number of different Chrome extensions. I just kind of like Vidyard. And you can record a video that can be used in your e-learning lessons or for any other number of purposes. It's going to technically be a video, but it could really just be your voice with a background image like I've done here in this sample e-learning lesson. So this is really useful, especially for primary grades where you need to provide some audio support for students. And so you need to explain things verbally to them, and we want to make it nice and simple so that all they have to do is click play and they can hear you talking. It's a little bit of a better system than this button because this button's going to open an audio file in a different tab, and then they have to close that tab to get back. Also, there's no visual reference whatsoever. It's just a play button. So this can provide some visual. You can even, like here I've got this background image if I just want them to listen to my voice talking. But if you have a document, like a paper that you're having them work on, a worksheet or something, and you want to be able to show that worksheet while you're talking about it, even scroll through and click on things, you'd be able to do that as well. Okay, so let me quickly show you how this works. All I have to do is install this Chrome extension called Vidyard Go Video, and that's a one-time setup process that I can help walk you through if you're interested in using this. Once you do that, it'll be up here in your Chrome extensions area. So when I'm ready to record, whatever I want to have on my screen is here, and you could do any number of different things. As long as you can get it on your screen, you can record it. So once I'm ready, I'm going to click this Chrome extension. I can choose to record just the tab that I'm currently in, or I can record my whole screen. So if you're going to click on more than one tab, you'd want to choose this one. You can also record yourself. If you want to put your own picture down in the bottom of the corner, you can turn on the webcam and do that, or you can do just yourself with the cam only option. So lots of different choices there. So I'm just going to go ahead and click record. I have two monitors connected right now, so it's asking me which screen I want. You probably won't have that question. So I'm going to choose that, and then it's going to give me a countdown. And now you can see down here in the corner, it is recording what I am saying. So I can talk to my students about what I want them to do with this page, and I can, tell them all those different things. And then when I'm done, all I have to do is click stop. It's going to open a new tab where it's going to show me my video, and it says right up here, your video is ready to share. Okay, now for other applications like you might be using this for, you may just want to copy the link and send the link to your students in Google Classroom or something like that. For the purposes of e-learning and placing it like in a small e-learning lesson, we're going to need to share it to YouTube. Now, your Google account that you have for school is actually will get you into YouTube as well, and you can establish your channel there. So I've already done that. I've already created my channel in YouTube, so you can see that it's showing me which channel, and I can change my settings here. I do believe you have to keep it on public or unlisted in order for it to be able to be embedded into your lesson. You won't be able to put it on private. And then we'll click upload to YouTube. So you can see that it's doing that right now. Now this process can take a minute, although my video was pretty short. So I'm going to pause this recording. Oh, nope, it's done. So right there it says view on YouTube. Click on that. And it takes me to that recording on YouTube. And now, there it is. I'll pause it. We got a recording within a recording going on here. It's getting crazy. Sorry. And then I can just take that YouTube URL, copy it to my clipboard, and let me go back into edit mode on my lesson here. And all I have to do is insert a video, paste that YouTube address, and it's going to look like that. Okay. Now again, if you don't want a page showing or whatever, you could just have a simple graphic like this in the background, and then you're going to get something that looks like this, and it'll stay looking like that the whole time they're listening to it. So I will include in the cheat sheet the link to this graphic, so you just open that in a tab and do your recording and you're good to go. Okay, so lots of different options. And of course, if you have any trouble or you need help getting the Chrome extension set up to begin with, or your YouTube channel set up, then I can absolutely help you with all those setups and walk you through doing your first couple of these, and then you'll be a pro at it. So let me know if you need me, and happy recording.